Hello and welcome. It is time once again to try to fix something, and today on the workbench I have a PS5 Digital Edition, which looks to be not beat up quite so bad. We'll find out how it looks inside, but I think this is a no power. I think I have it all connected. I do. Let's see if somebody lied about it. Nope, absolutely no power. Okay. Well, let me get the covers off and let's see what we're dealing with. Okay, outer side plate is off, and I think I can see what we are dealing with, which is a lot of roach nastiness. Yeah, I think this is the first PS5 I've seen like this. I mean, just look at that side cover. So, yeah, I have a feeling we have a dead power supply due to roaches. I don't think I've encountered one of these on a 5 yet. Lots of 4s, but not a 5. So, oh well, let's get on into it. At this point, I'm kind of committed. I need to fix it. All right, the cover is off. Take a look at that. Yeah, that's nice, isn't it? And it smells about like you think. Well, the power supply is out. I wonder what its problem could be. It's a mystery. So let's get another supply in this thing and see if it has any life left in it. I think I've got one here. Strangely a different color. Alright, well, I've swapped in my spare supply. Let's just see what she does now. Nothing? Well, that's disappointing. Oh, maybe because I left this cable loose right here. Now, try it again. There we are. What's that wonderful smell? Video? Okay, I think I saw it lock. There we go. Alright, looks like she's going to come back to life. So we have a PS5 supply to repair. And I can promise you it's going to take me longer to clean this console than it is to fix that supply. Just nasty. Okay. I'm going to get the supply inside, and all these other parts are going in a bathtub of really hot soapy water to try to start this long process. I chose to open this one up out in the garage. I'm sure you'll understand. Yeah. All right. Well, we are inside. Ready to take a look at this supply. I've done a little bit of cleaning on here, just trying to make it a little less disgusting. Let's see. It's going to be just a simple one. Depends on what the roach stepped on, or roach is. Fuse is good. And the 0.1 ohm resistor, fusible resistor, is open. So if that's open, very likely that one of these MOSFETs has shorted. Yep, there's one. Very shorted. They both measure shorted. Okay. Well, that's highly possible. Trying to remember if these are both the same. Yeah, they are. And you can see, I don't know how well it shows up on camera, you see a little burn mark right in there. Yeah, that's where some creature lost its life. So yeah, I think we need a couple of MOSFETs at a minimum, and we'll go from there. Alright, well, we have replaced two shorted MOSFETs and the fusible resistor that connects to them, 0.1 ohm. And I didn't find anything else shorted. That may have been all it got. The main fuse is still good. And I have my load connected. We're ready to try this thing out. So what we'll do is we'll just bring this voltage down and bring it up kind of slow. See what happens. There we go. There's about 120 volts in AC. And yeah, we're running. 10 amp load. I forgot that I had it set for 10 amps. I was testing another supply earlier. Still had it set for 10 amps. Need to watch that little lead I cut off. That could be trouble. Get out of the way. So yeah, this one needs a little more. I've done a little cleanup on it. It probably could use a little bit more cleanup, but we're going to clean it up and put it all back together and see if it'll work after I get through cleaning up the main, chassis of the PS5 itself. And here we are back out in the garage, and this PS5 is fully reassembled, a whole lot cleaner, and hopefully with a working power supply. Let's find out. We have lights. Can't really see if the fan is spinning. I'm assuming it is. And there we go. Back to life. Well, it was a nasty one, but well, I hope you enjoyed that one. Thought it was somewhat interesting or educational. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the very next repair. So long for now.